Okay, let's look at another category. Let's say a person, they are in PT school and they graduate, and when they graduate, their record turns to a PT Tran. So for instance, in this case, the person graduated in May 31st, 2011. Now, when he graduated, he turned to a PT Tran, and he then became eligible to pay the half dues, half of the national, and in this case, because the person is located in New York, half of the New York chapter. Now, he had up until 1 year after his expiration date to pay the PT Tran, or the Career Starter dues. But in this case, this person, they let their membership lapse, and they let it lapse for a full year. So when April 30th, 2012 came up, their record became a PT Tran 1, which means that they now owe the full dues, because we gave them a year to take advantage of the Career Starter dues, and they chose not to. So when they choose not to take the advantage of the Career Starter dues, and it's outside of a year, then we charge them the full dues when they come back and pay for their membership. So that's a PT Tran 1 or PTA Tran 1. Now, after a person they've come back and they're now a PT full, or they want to join a PTA as a physical therapist or physical therapist assistant. So let's look at the requirements in order to be a member as a physical therapist or physical therapist assistant. So we're going to click on Join/Renew, and membership types and eligibility. And then we select physical therapist assistant membership. So in order to be a member as a physical therapist or physical therapist assistant, the person must have graduated from an accredited PT or PTA program. Now, how we verify that is the person, their school, if they've submitted a roster of their graduating class in the year in which they've graduated, then we look at that roster, or the person can provide us a copy of his or her diploma. If they have that diploma, or we can verify their school by the graduating class, the list, then he or she can become a member. And in our database, they would be, instead of a Tran 1, or there would be a PT or PTA full dues.